saw it.
I'm Tokusa. We're on summer vacation right now. I came to a shrine with my friends to go stargazing. Is that Vega? That must be Altair. At first we were having fun picking out all the stars, but let's go home. It was fun, but we couldn't really see much. Buy a better telescope, dude. What? Get your own. Huh? Where's the flashlight? Huh? You had it, right? Where did it go? It's gone! Once we realized that we didn't have any source of light, we got scared. You must have kicked it somewhere by accident! Look again! Yeah! Hey, Tokusa! What, Katsura? You scared me! You hear that? Huh? Yeah. Right? Is that? Look at that light. There! I couldn't see very clearly, but I saw a lady. She was wearing all white. Is she trying to put a curse on someone? I've never seen this before. People actually do that? What's she doing? For some reason, I kind of got excited, but Katsura was scared out of his mind. But I'm glad it wasn't a ghost or anything. No worries, Katsura. I don't think she sees us. Let's get out of here. Ah! I found the flashlight! Ah! Run! Ah! My telescope! Forget it! No! I need it! No, you idiot! We left Katsura and ran. We waited for him at the entrance to the shrine. How long is he gonna take? Maybe that lady got him. Katsura! You alright?
Sorry about that.
What the hell is going on?
I'm sorry about all this.
Her name was Azami.
Katsura, he came back for his telescope, but fell and got hurt. He couldn't move. So I carried him here.
She was crying because she felt guilty.
Your wound, it's all cleaned up, but still. I'm so sorry that I scared you. Call me if your wound doesn't heal.
Okay. Azami bought us drinks from the vending machine while apologizing for scaring us. I saw her face when she stood in front of the vending machine. I thought she was wearing all white, but it was just a normal white shirt. What were you doing anyway? You lose a bet or something?
Huh? You want to hear the story?
10 minutes later...
And then?
Azami-san's boss was a really bad guy, but she didn't have anyone to talk to. So she decided to put a curse on him. She thought this way she wouldn't actually hurt anyone. But to be honest, I had no idea what she was talking about. I thought she was a normal person, but I guess not. Afterward, we took Katsura home and went back to our house. We didn't tell our parents about Azami-san. A few days later, good as new. Yeah. Too bad. I wanted to call her. You asshole. She was a weirdo, sure, but she was cute, too. Yeah, but... Hey, why don't you call her to tell her that he's all fine now, and that she's got nothing to worry about? Yeah! Genius! I was the one that came up with the idea, so I made the call. Hello?
Hello?
We're the kids you ran into at the shrine the other night.
Oh, right.
Just wanted to say that Katsura's leg, it's fine now.
You called me to tell me? Thanks. Again, I'm sorry about the other night.
No worries.
Oh yeah, that reminds me. Listen, turns out that curse actually works. Who would have thought, right? I really wanted to tell you guys about it. Glad you called. See ya.
We stood in silence for a while. We were terrified. What we went through that night was nothing compared to this. And that was the last time we talked to her.
ご視聴いただきありがとうございました。呪いが効いたとは一体上司の方に何があったんでしょうか。気になって夜しか眠れなくなりそうです。しかしそんなに強力なものだったのならば自分にもいつか帰ってきそうで恐ろしいですね。皆さんはどう感じましたか？コメント欄に書いていただけると嬉しいです。また少しでも怖いなぁと思った方、チャンネル登録と高評価をお願いいたします。